Hi, I will guide you to use menu grabs for standard bar chart type. This menu aims to view the description of qualitative data in the form of graph for one variable. The first step is to select one of the data forms to be used in the data import menu. For example, here I used to upload data with an iris.csv file. You can get this iris.csv data by clicking Download iris.csv. If you want to use other data, please select the CSV file by clicking Browse. After selecting the data to be analyzed, the next step is to click the Grabs menu and then select the bar charts submenu. A display like this will appear. Make sure to select Standard on the Type bar chart. Please select a qualitative variable in the Select Variable section. For example, I choose the variety variable. The data can be viewed by clicking Show Data. Then it will appear like this. Please close, then click Run. Wait until the data is successfully processed. After the process is complete, a result like this will appear, which is the plot display. In bar charts, there are three features, namely the chart title input feature, label input on the x-axis, and label input on the y-axis. To select these features, click the gear icon in the upper right corner. A sidebar box will appear. In the sidebar box, there are chart title inputs, label input on the x-axis, and label inputs on the y-axis. For example, I input my standard bar chart in the title on chart input. Then on the input title of X, I input variety. At the input title of Y, I input frequency. Then the next step is to click Run again. Then it will appear like this. To save plots, please select the camera icon like this. Then a download plot as PNG will appear. Please click, then the plot will be downloaded. Well, those are the steps to use the Grabs menu for standard type bar